guys, welcome back to Deaf Chinese. I am 𝙬𝙤𝙧𝙝. After a few months study, you must find that you think you are speaking Cantonese, but actually we're speaking in English. Today we will continue to learn some long words. I will give you some example but no explanation because of the time limit. If you would like to learn more fun Cantonese, you could go to my italki page and book my lesson, and also you could book my one-on-one lesson on this social media. Here are some tips for you. If you are italki new user, you could use my link to create an account and purchase $20 and both of us could get 10 more credits on our italki account. And also if you contact me by my social media to book my lesson, it will be cheaper for you and it would be better for me because I don't need to pay for the high fee to italki. Okay, now let's start it. The first one, 花神, 花神. 花神 origin from fashion. Actually, it means patterns, gimmicks, tricks. For example, my dad hates those gimmicks. So on his birthday, he will tell us, 唔好搞咁多花神啦，一家人食餐飯就得啦。唔好搞咁多花神啦，一家人食餐飯就得啦。Don't need to think too much different kinds of gimmicks. It's okay that the whole family to have a dinner together. Don't need to make different kinds of plan. Number 2, 茄喱啡. 茄喱啡. 茄喱啡 means walk-ons on those film, TV show. Origin from the word carefree. It means those people you don't have to worry about. And is unimportant. Also, they are irresponsible. So we think they are 茄喱啡. Lots of famous movie stars are 茄喱啡 before, like Stephen Chow, Jackie Chan. Number 3, coolie. Coolie is originated from coolie, the word from Southeast Asia and India, that area. So coolie represent the people, the laborer with low wage. 日日做足10幾個鐘，得個雞碎咁多人工，成個coolie咁。日日做足10幾個鐘，得個雞碎咁多人工，成個coolie咁。We work over 10 hours every day, with such low payment. We are like a coolie. Number 4, 時髦. 時髦. Actually, this is kind of old-fashioned word. We don't use that one a lot, but 時髦. 時髦 is from word smart. Maybe 30 years ago, people will say, 你着得咁時髦，去邊啊？你着得咁時髦，去邊啊？You wear so smart. Where are you going? Another one is also really old saying. Modern. 摩登. 摩登. The modern girl. 摩登女郎. 摩登女郎. Actually, to be honest, we don't use that one nowadays. Next one. 溝女. 溝女. 溝女 is from an English word, court. Or it means like woo a girl, chase girl, pursue a girl. 溝女, 溝女. Well, I think 溝女 is kind of a little bit casual saying. Yeah, I prefer people say 追女仔 instead of 溝女. Number 7, pride. 派頭. 派頭. 派頭 originate from the word pride. It's like 氣場, 正式 in Mandarin. So we have saying called 輸人唔輸陣, 輸人唔輸陣. For example, like during our wedding, even though we are poor, but we would like to show off how rich we are, we lead a happy life, we will prepare some bracelets for the wedding. We could say 結婚冇幾隻金額，點夠派頭啊？結婚冇幾隻金額，點夠派頭啊？ If there is no bracelets on the wedding, there is no pride for us. Number 8, 蛇gwe. 蛇gwe sounds like scared. 蛇gwe, it means scared. For example, I really dislike those insects. So my dad will say, 你咪咁蛇龜啦，曱甴都驚。你咪咁蛇龜啦，曱甴都驚。Don't be so scared. Why you fear the cockroach? They're so disgusting, right? Number 9. 唱錢. 唱錢 originate from the word change. So it means to exchange cash. For example, to exchange the cash into some small bills or other currencies. Break into small bills. 唱散紙. 唱散紙. 我冇散紙搭巴士啊，唔知邊度可以唱散紙呢？我冇散紙搭巴士啊，唔知邊度可以唱散紙呢？ I don't have small bills to take bus. I would like to know where I could break my money into small bills. Number 10. 幫襯, 幫襯, patron. We could be a smart mouth to the shopkeeper if they give us a fair price. Then we could say, 老細你真係好好人啊，我下次一定會帶多啲朋友嚟幫襯你㗎。老細你真係好好人啊，下次我一定會帶多啲朋友嚟幫襯你㗎。Boss, you are such a nice person. I will bring more friends to patron you next time. Talking about Patreon, actually I also have a Patreon page. And if you like my videos and my teaching style, you could go to my Patreon page and donate some money to me so that I don't have any financial problem and create more nice contents for you. Number 11. 發蹄騰, 發蹄騰. So 發蹄騰, frightened. They sound so familiar. 每次考車牌我都發蹄騰，所以我成日肥佬。每次考車牌我都發蹄騰，所以我成日肥佬。Every time when I take an exam to get a driver license, I'm frightened, so I always fail. Half correct, half wrong. I can't drive, you know that, because I didn't pass the driver license, but not because I'm fat titan. There is a few reasons. Okay, we will talk about it one day. Number 12. 肥佬, 肥佬, fail. 肥佬 literally means like bad guy, but it means fail in exam. Number 13. 拗撬, 拗撬 is like argue, right? 拗撬, it means argument. So lots of couple, they would like to move together before they get married, but they will cause lots of argument between them. So we could say 佢哋一齊住之後多咗拗撬。佢哋一齊住之後多咗拗撬。There are more arguments after they move together. 14. 杯葛, 杯葛. This Chinese word originates from boycott. School bullying is everywhere. Lots of classmates will boycott a student because of his special personalities. So we could say 因為佢性格唔好，好多同學仔都杯葛佢，唔同佢玩。因為佢性格唔好，好多同學仔都杯葛佢，唔同佢玩。Because of his bad personality, lots of classmates boycott him and don't play with him. Number 15. 爆格, 爆格 burgling. We could say 尋晚隔離俾人爆格，偷咗好多值錢嘢。尋晚隔離俾人爆格，偷咗好多值錢嘢。Last night, the neighbor got burgled and they stole lots of valuable things. 16. 吉屎, 吉屎 guts. So it means bravery as well. So I remember on this video we learned about 夠薑 before. So 夠薑 and 吉屎 is the same meaning. So we could say 我唔夠吉屎同老細講我唔撈啦。我唔夠吉屎同老細講我唔撈啦。唔撈，唔撈 quit, I quit. 我唔撈啦，我唔撈啦 I quit. I have no gut to tell the boss that I quit. Number 14. 發毛, 發毛. 發毛 originates from the word mould. I guess all of you have experienced to quarantine in different ways before, so you must feel blue when you stay at home for a long while. So the boredom will root your brain, right? So then you will call your friends and tell him. 我哋出去行下好唔好啊？我喺屋企悶到發毛啦。我哋出去行下好唔好啊？我喺屋企悶到發毛啦。Should we go out for a walk? I feel so bored at home. That is what we learned today. If you have remembered all of this, then you are more than beginner right now. If you would like to learn more basic Cantonese or advanced Cantonese, you could book my lesson on italki or just by my social medias. Right now it's $18 per hour. And I would like to get some group lesson as well. So just contact me so that I could schedule it for you. I hope there is lots of students. If you like today's video, please give me a like and also share with your friends. And I hope to see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.